Coron! After that very dramatic flight, here we are now. We just arrived here in Coron. Pupunta na kami doon sa car namin na papunta doon sa lodge kung saan kami stay. Excited ka na?
Yes.
Yes. Turista. Turista lang. Ganun lang. Simple. So ayan na, nakasakay na kami sa aming vehicle for today. Papunta na kami sa aming lodge. Magpapahinga, kakain kasi hindi pa kami naglo-lunch.
Yes.
Yes. So, but I just want to say na the flight was good. It was smooth. It was on time. And masasabi ko lang na kinabahan lang kami doon sa huling part. Doon sa paglaland. Other than that, wala na. Masaya naman. At saka, this is my first time na 40 minutes flight. My God, ang bilis. Para ka palang punta ng punta ka lang ng Valenzuela. Ganon. Diba?
Ito na, mag-start na ang paghanap po ng kapamilya.
Oh, this is the journey. Kumbaga sa sa Starstruck, dream, believe, and survive. Hi everyone, so we just had our breakfast today. Hello po! Hello! Hi! Yes, I had corned beef, itlog, kanin, tapos yung leftover kong barbecue and rice kagabi. Yun. So, full naman, waiting na lang kami sa tour, which is 8:45 daw. This is the start of our tour. We are about to go and checking na lang ang aming driver for the people included sa tour. Ayan, ako sana po. Ito na po ang pag-angat namin sa kahirapan. Charot! So ayan, pasakay na kami ng barko. This is my fit check. Barko talaga, bangka. This is my fit check. Tatanggalin ko to mamaya. Tapos may cover up na lang tayo. Sana may mabingwit tayo. Ako yung paing ngayon. So yan, pakyat na tayo. So, come with us. Come with us and let's explore Coron. Ganon! So ito na, nandito na kami sa unang stop which is the CYC Beach. So, parang ako, ayoko munang bumaba. Ayoko muna ding mag-kayak, but I'm just gonna take photos here. But I'm just gonna go. Mukhang tatawid ako sa kabila. Then nandun ang ating mga pinunta ngayon. Ito na.
One.
Hello guys, so we are here in CYC Beach. We're about to go na kasi we had our time here to roam the island. Of course, take pics and everything. Ngayon, sadly, kinukwento ng aming tour guide, dati daw po hanggang dito nakataas yung sand dyan. Kumbaga, it's a widespread sand. However, due to some, unforeseen kineme, we cannot mention it further, nawala yung sand. So, I hope we are more valuing the sense of environment, of course, the beauty of our nature. So, yun, nakabalik na kami sa bangka ngayon. We are done with our first destination, which is the CYC Beach, which is the Coron Youth Club Beach. Ayan, so kakatapos lang namin mag-roam the island, picture. Ngayon susunod na kami, kabilang side lang naman. So ayun, lusong-lusong muna kami dahil magpe-prepare na ng lunch. So ayun nga. We are here in Sunset Beach kasi daw maganda daw dito pag sunset. But hindi ito yung last location namin. It's just so ideal for lunchtime. We are now on our way to Kayangan Lake, and my gosh, my God, the stone formations are breathtaking. Yun lang masasabi ko, napaka-breathtaking niya. Sobrang ganda. My gosh, the beauty of nature. Nagkaroon kami ng connecting flight. Oh my gosh! Connecting flight from our boat going here. Maglalakad na kami papunta sa Kayangan Lake. Pero share niyo naman ang daming sea urchins. Kain ka sa akin mamaya. So, anyways, let's go there. But we are here now in the lake view. Hindi ba to lake view?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa to yung lake view.
Doon sa kabila.
Doon sa kabila pa yung lake view. Pero dito kasi, nakikita mo yung ganda nung stone formation. It's a good, para siyang veranda view. Diba? Ang ganda. This is how the nature has made this place. And we should keep it to the most of our abilities. Ganon. We must not take it for granted. Kasi ang ganda oh. Look how beautiful it is. Here, the tour B. Wala nga akong 0.5! Masyado mo ako pinapahiya sa viewers ko. Eh kung yun naman po pala talaga makakasabay namin, why not? Diba? So, but then, of course, this is Coron. What happens in Coron stays in Coron.